In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam Captcha error when you're trying to change your password. Now, if you try changing password and there will be a yellow box that says the Captcha was an error or something, it has happened to many people, and there are a few ways that you can potentially fix it. Now, the first one is simply reinstall Steam. Just delete the Steam, reinstall it. You can do that from in here, search for apps, and then uninstall from in there. The second one is try to access Steam through your browser. So open up a Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, you're gonna go to here, Chrome://settings/clear browser data. You're gonna clear your cookies and everything, just like this. Remember to select all time and then clear the data. Just remember it might delete saved passwords as well, so be careful if you do this. And then you're simply gonna open up Steam from a new tab here and see if that works. Now, the last option that you can do that I've seen works for many people actually is you can go to your Steam application on your mobile device. So go to your phone, open up Steam, and from in there, you're gonna try and change the password. And usually the Captcha works much better on the phone for some reason. But that's 3 ways that you can hopefully fix it. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.